Okay. So welcome to Pehchan Stri Shakti, and today is 15th August. So I welcome you all on this platform. And आज का दिन बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है हम सभी लोगों के लिए 75th इंडिपेंडेंस डे। एंड आज भारत को तो फ्रीडम मिल गया है, बट आज औरतों को भी फ्रीडम नहीं मिला है। काफी सारी औरतें आज भी हमारे भारत देश में सफर कर रही है, और इन सभी औरतों को इंस्पायर करने के लिए मैं प्राची बोरकर, मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर and founder of Pehchan Stri Shakti. So today we have this Women Empowerment Forum, and today we have a special guest. So this guest, she is also and very good motivator for women. She is an entrepreneur. She's a social activist, social worker, and she has also struggled in her life. And today she is here on our platform to motivate women, to guide women of India how they can empower themselves and bring about a new India. So Prachi Sote, I welcome you on this platform today. So Prachi ma'am, how are you?
I'm good. And first of all, thank you so much. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Thanks for coming. Surwa sir, also thank you so much to you, because in our platform, this is especially a women platform, but we work on gender justice, gender equality. So we work with men. So this is really a wonderful example of women working with men. So thank you so much, Surwa sir, for coming. Great, and God bless you. Yeah,
Yes.
Prachi, please tell.
So Prachi, what advice you want to give for today's women of India? How they can change themselves? Women have had been suffering since many years, and I still feel that India is not free. Though we have got the freedom physically, but still we are trapped in the mental game. The women who were exploited, and the belief system that today women is having, they are still not out of their belief system, the old belief system that had been ingrained in their mind. So today, even many women I see, they are still stuck up with the patterns of the old things which they have got from their forefathers, and they are suffering. So today on this 75th Independence Day, I would want you to give guidance, throw the light on how women can lead their life as a professional or in their personal life. So over to you, Prachi.
On this special auspicious occasion of Independence Day of India, our country, my nation, I would like to give a simple advice. I can't say I'm an advisor or I'm a leader. I'm a simple human being. So I must say each and every human being feel free. So stay free, stay blessed, stay happy. That is a key of happiness, success. Before adding anything in your life, first add your mind on that particular level. So work on your mindset. Your mindset is everything. Your energy is everything. So you should work on your energy, your mindset, your body integration, your soul integration. Is a simple key and simple way of living a simple, best and better life. That's it. So be a leader, or if you are working in a field, give your 100% dedication. Though you are sweeper, though you are a worker, though you are labor, it doesn't matter. So this advice is for each and every human being. Stay happy, stay safe and stay free. That's it.
Yes. So Prachi, you're going to share some presentations that you have, some few more points that you were going to add.
Yes.
Yeah, so kindly share that presentation.
Can you see my screen, Prachi ma'am?
Yes, we can. Yes.
Okay, so first of all, thank you so much for inviting me on this Zabardast great platform. Women Stri Shakti, Pehchan Stri Shakti. Pehchan means identity. खुद की आइडेंटिटी बनाना है तो पहले खुद के ऊपर काम करना पड़ेगा. You have to work on yourself. So why focus on women? So we are working with different people, but why we are working, or why we need to focus on this era with women, human and men? We need to integrate all these things on a single platform. then why we are talking about women? I will explain you some key points why we need to focus on corporate, on in day-to-day life for women empowerment. Why focus on women? First of all, where is the talent? Who are the best manager? What is the best business impact? Who are the healthcare providers or decision makers? Why can women and men do? Like, how we can integrate both these human being on a single platform, women and men. That I'll explain you. Now, how women can be better manager or better best decision maker. We have already seen lots of quotes on women empowerment, like women are the current workforce and future pool of leaders. Women are better managers than men. But we don't need to compare. We need to go equally. The data is there. If we observe all this data from past, future, and present, we need to collaborate all data on a single platform. So female managers can do lots of things with male integration. So driving force, how we can engage each another and in that particular platform, on that particular platform, how we need to integrate, how we need to collaborate with right people, right attitude, and right exact decision making ability. Now, women in business. Let's say if we focus on business matters, there are lots of examples. If we go through past, present, and future, there are lots of examples. Women future leaders, women past leaders. Our first prime minister, like Mrs. Indira Gandhi, she is the best example, we can say. So cultivate confidence. Without confidence, you can't do anything. Be positive, be assertive. Being a leader, what are your role? What are your responsibilities? Doesn't matter what are you working, how we are working, with whom you are working. We need to adopt different behaviors. We need to work on your behavioral pattern. Remove your old patterns, work on your mindset, work on your pattern. Don't try to imitate others. Because if you try to imitate others, अगर आप किसी को imitate कर रहे, copy कर रहे, तो simply क्या होगा, आप that timing you can get that information. But what about long-term business, long-term activity? If you work on core part of your business, see, business is nothing but it's kind of an integration जहाँ पे आपको लोगों से जुड़ना है. अगर आपका नंबर्स के साथ अच्छा रहेगा, आपका पर्सन्स के साथ अच्छा रिलेशन रहेगा, आपका कैलकुलेशन अच्छा रहेगा, you have decision making ability, you have positive attitude, you have confidence, you can do anything in business. But because of that particular level or with the help of confidence, you can do lots of things. But for that, we need to integrate all this platform, all these things with a proper platform or with right people. So stay positive and happy attitude. So nothing generates immediately. Good and bad. See, there are two sides of each and everything. Business में आपको profit भी होगा, loss भी होगा. So we need to work on your both these sides, like head and tail. So each coin has two sides. कोई भी coin है, उसको दो side है. तो आपको observe करना है. You need to observe your own pattern. We need to work on that. If you want to go or if you want to work on a right path, it will take some time. But with the core values, with the help of principle. So in business, you need to work on basic principle. Nothing generates immediately, but be an assertive, aggressive, lifelong learner. Try to work on your learning attitude, learning pattern. How I can get information, day-to-day activities. Suppose, let's say, I got some information from Surwa sir. He's a man, but we need to collaborate with that particular person because he's helping you out. So we need to work with men also. Without men support, women can't do anything. So because we are staying in a society, we are not staying in different pattern. We are staying with community. We are staying with society. That is the main thing we need to understand. We should come out of our ego. We should work on our ego pattern also. Now keep on top of the news on the industry. If you work on work with different person, work on different matters, we need to add a broader mindset. We need to study market. Daily you have to study about market. Take advantage of each and every relevant seminars. Go, because see, I will give you like example of this pattern. Let's say अभी सुरवा सर हमें कैसे है, सुरवा सर के साथ भी हम कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स कर रहे हैं, तो कहीं पे मुझे अगर दिक्कत आती है, definitely he is there to support us because he is working with international platform. So we need to understand इसमें कौन सा अच्छा ही है. So we need to work with that person. We need to understand that person's behavioral pattern. After that, observation, data patterns, work on mindset. These are the key points where you can generate different things in business. And continuing education, because without education, you can't say I'm a leader.
Right.
What is leader's role? Yeah, Prachi?
No, continue. Yeah.
So what is the exact role of leader? Stay on your toes. Being informed will help people. Definitely confidence will play everything for you. And if you will be a valuable resource to your teammates, because without team building, you can't do your business. You are not a superman, superpower, but we need to take help of others, people. We need to integrate P2P platform. Earlier it was B2B, C2C, P2P. Now it's point to point and people to people. We need to integrate with people, your teammate, your team building. You have to work and you have to focus on your team attitude, how they can be runner for you. Because you are everywhere. But what about your team? If you are not motivating your team, how you can grow your business? You can't run everywhere. India, Africa, Japan, China, no. You have to work with collaboration pattern, partnership for the goal.
Right.
We need to understand this important pattern. Nowadays, there are lots of things on digital media. How I can take advantage of this digital media? I am sitting in India in a home, but I can operate with n number of countries on a single platform. That is the key point of today's era. We need to understand this pattern and we need to understand, then we need to collaborate and co-create and create a pattern. Then you can design a business in a single app. Now, this doesn't mean combative. You just need to be comparative, but for yourself. Introspection. Daily you have to understand something different. आज मैंने एक सीखा है, कल कुछ और सीखना है. उसका एटीट्यूड चाहिए तुम्हारे अंदर. Don't attack other people. ठीक है, नहीं होगा, it's okay. Try to understand what is exact core value. Now take on a leadership role. Take ownership. It's okay. अगर सामने वाले को नहीं आ रहा है, you need to understand क्या प्रॉब्लम है. कोर में जाइए. कुछ चीजें हैं जो आपको नहीं समझ में आ रही, दिक्कत नहीं है. सबसे मिल बांट के अगर खाएंगे तो सबको मिलेगा. अगर मैं ऐसा बोलूंगी नहीं मुझे अकेली कोई ज्यादा करना है, मुझे सिकंदर बनना है, इज ओके, यू कैन डू, बट इट विल टेक सम टाइम. जैसे टाटा सर ने भी बोला है, अगर आपको बहुत दूर चलना है तो सबको साथ में लेके चलना पड़ेगा. सबका साथ सबका विकास, दैट इज द बेस्ट नारा. नाउ eventually if you are good at your job or if you are good at any level, managerial level, or you are working with superior level, is okay. You have to work with your team. Understand team's problem, obstacles, strength, weaknesses. What are their strength? We need to build your strength. After that, understand क्या problem है, weakness कहाँ पे है. अगर घाटा हो रहा है, business नहीं चल रहा है, तो कहाँ पे हो रहा है, पहले उसके ऊपर काम करना है. घाटा होने दीजिए. देखो सबको घाटा होता है, सबको लॉस होता है, प्रॉफिट होता है. That is a simple calculation of business. So push yourself to be on that particular level, good level, on an issue you know about your business. You need to take a charge like a leader. Leaders role क्या है कि आपको चार्ज लेना है. Support other women. ठीक है, अगर आपके पास है नॉलेज है, बाकी लोगों को भी बताइए. Share your knowledge, share your experience. Everything we need to share. Because without sharing, without caring, you can't stay in society. See, business क्या है, business कहाँ पे होता है, जहाँ पे आपकी सोसाइटी का स्ट्रॉन्ग कनेक्शन है. नेटवर्किंग अच्छा है, नेटवर्किंग आपको करना है, सभी जगह पे करना है, बट स्मार्टली करना है नेटवर्किंग. बिकॉज इफ यू नेटवर्क विद ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन, इट डजंट मैटर. लाइक आप सबके लिए सबके साथ काम नहीं कर सकते ना. अगर आपका बिजनेस टेलरिंग है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सिंपल मैं आपको लाइव एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. कोई लेडी है, उनके पास जॉब नहीं है. इफ शी इज ट्राइंग टू अडॉप्ट हर स्किल इन टेलरिंग, शी कैन बी गुड फैशन डिजाइनर. तो उसके आसपास के एरिया में, छोटे छोटे जो गांव में, अगर विलेज में अगर लेडी है, वहां पे कुछ लेडीज को फैशन सेंस है, वो सोशल मीडिया पे भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, या ऐसी कोई औरतें वो ढूंढ सकते हैं जिनको सोशल मीडिया का क्रेज है, तो उनके साथ कोलैबोरेट कर सकते हैं कि मेरे ऐसे मैंने डिजाइन किए हैं, यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन माय डिजाइन, यू हैव टू स्प्रेड, एंड व्हाटएवर जो भी कमीशन रहेगा वो मिल बांट के खाइए ना. सो सपोर्ट अदर वुमेन. दो लोगों को एक साथ जॉब मिलेगा, बिजनेस भी चलेगा, स्मार्टली काम भी हो जाएगा, रिलेशंस भी डेवलप हो जाएंगे. बी एथिकल. ठीक है, अगर आपके पास प्रॉफिट आ रहा है 50%, सामने वाले को आपने कमिट किया 10%, तो बी एथिकल, उसको दे दीजिए उसका 10% जो भी है. डोंट बी लाइक डिसऑनेस्टी. लाइक डिसऑनेस्टी इज नॉट अ बेस ऑफ योर बिजनेस. Honesty is the best policy. This one seems so obvious. Now consider striking on your own. Try to focus. Women who treat others fairly, treat everyone fairly. ठीक है, अगर डिसीजन बायस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज आपको अंडरस्टैंड करना है किसके साथ जस्टिस करना है, कैसे जस्टिस करना है. ह्यूमन राइट्स भी आपको अंडरस्टैंड करना है बिजनेस के अंदर, बिकॉज अगर आपका बिजनेस के लिए आप किसी को हर्ट करके बिजनेस कर रहे तो वो बिजनेस आपके काम का नहीं है. वो 5-10 दिन के लिए आपको बिजनेस मिलेगा, बट नॉट फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम. सो इफ यू वांट टू डू एथिकल बिजनेस, go with the right people, right time, right attitude. Now women who treat others immediately, fairly, happier, people will definitely give some references. अगर मैंने आज अच्छा, भले मुझे 2 रुपए मिल रहा है, मुझे प्रॉफिट हो रहा है 2 रुपीज, बट मैंने एथिकली किया, तो सामने वाला पर्सन भी जज करेगा, नहीं शी इज अ गुड लेडी और शी इज टॉप वुमन और व्हाटएवर. बट आपका जो जजमेंट रहेगा, फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन इज द लास्ट इंप्रेशन. तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन क्रैक बिग डील्स ऑल्सो इन फ्यूचर, बिकॉज 1 रुपए का कमा के देने वाला कस्टमर भी आपको लाख रुपए कमा के दे सकता है. बट फॉर दैट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि सामने वाले की क्वालिटी क्या है, किस तरह से मुझे बिजनेस रिलेशन डेवलप करने. नाउ टैलेंट पूल. व्हाई वी आर वर्किंग ऑन टैलेंट पूल? We need to add abilities. Without ability, without talent, without knowledge, without sharing, nothing is possible in business. The last few generation have some drawbacks. उसके drawbacks क्या थे? उन्होंने knowledge नहीं लिया properly और direct business में चले गए. Because without understanding, without proper knowledge, without working hard, without working smartly, you can't be successful in business. See, success is not a one-day task or today's task. It's a process. Now care about being respected, because without respect you can't stand in business. If consistent, आपकी consistency, आपकी transparency business में आपको बहुत आगे लेके जाएगी. Impulsive sorry, ठीक है, आपको नई प्रॉब्लम हो गया या whatever आप फेस कर रहे हैं, इससे सॉरी. हम्बल, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, सॉरी बोल के बहुत सारी चीजें सॉर्ट आउट हो सकती है. लर्न हाउ टू हैंडल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. बिजनेस में लिटिगेशन हो जाते हैं, कॉर्पोरेट लिटिगेशन रहते हैं, प्रॉफिट होता है, लॉस होता है. That time you need to be very patient. We need to be calm. You need to handle conflict smartly. Now women, where women lag behind men in leadership roles. बहुत सारा डेटा मेरे पास है, बहुत सारी चीजें होती है जहाँ पे सीईओज है, डायरेक्टर्स है, कहाँ पे लैकिंग हो रहा है, आप नॉलेज लेते नहीं है, या लीडरशिप में क्वालिटीज कौन सी चाहिए. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. तो उसके बाद आपको थोड़ा सा खुद के ऊपर काम करना है कि मेरे में कमी क्या है. Now female managers are better at engaging their employees than male manager. हम कंपेयर नहीं कर रहे, बट कुछ ऐसी चीजें रहती जो वुमेन के पास इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस है, वुमेन के पास डिसीजन मेकिंग में कुछ ऐसी एबिलिटीज है जो वो हाईलाइट नहीं कर पा रही, बट अगर उसके ऊपर हम लोग काम करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली वी कैन बी द बेस्ट मैनेजर एवरीवेयर. दिस इज द राइट डेटा. दिस इज नॉट समथिंग फ्रॉम माय माइंड एवरीवेयर. दिस इज फ्रॉम राइट डेटा. So we need to understand percentage of employee engagement also. Now a study in leadership, why women can do better leadership or why women can do profitable business. उसके कुछ evidences भी है, global survey भी मेरे पास है. We have global survey of 91 countries. Women in corporate positions, they can improve their performance and they can give their organization or contribution on a top level. Now correlation कैसा है, how we can correlate each and everything. No impact of both gender. आपको जेंडर कहाँ पे भी आपको दिखाना नहीं है कि यू आर वीक. यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन योर वीकनेसेस, देन यू कैन बी ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर लेवल, स्ट्रॉन्ग लेवल. नाउ सेलिब्रेट ईच अदर. ठीक है, आपके पास जो आ रहा है, आपको प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, सेलिब्रेट कीजिए, बिकॉज विदाउट सेलिब्रेशन यू कैन गो ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर लेवल और हायर लेवल. सो वी नीड टू सेलिब्रेट ऑल्सो. डोंट लेट जनरेशन डिवाइडेड. डिवाइड जो करता है, डिवाइडेड एंड रूल, ऐसा करना नहीं है, बिकॉज यूनाइटेड वी स्टैंड एंड डिवाइडेड वी फॉल्स. So we need to understand equality, unity. These are the key points to survive in any business. Create and be a part of network of women. आपके पास जैसे प्राची मैम ने किया है, बहुत अच्छी चीज मैम कर रही है, because she is working on women platform. अभी देखिए, अभी का ही एग्जांपल देखिए, हमने इतना अच्छा प्रोग्राम रखा है, बट कुछ चीजें है कि बिकॉज ऑफ दैट महिलाएं आ नहीं सकी, तो हम समझ के ले रहे हैं. बट ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. अगर ये पॉइंट, ये प्रेजेंटेशन वो अटेंड करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली उनको बड़े से बड़ा कोई कोर्स लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. देखो कोर्स लगाना, लीडरशिप लेना, सर्टिफिकेट लेना सब कर सकते, बट जहां पे आपको मिनिमम रिसोर्स है आपके पास, उसमें आप कैसा करते, उसके लिए आपको बहुत काम करना नहीं है, स्मार्टली काम करना है. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग इन डिफरेंट डिफरेंट इंस्टीट्यूशंस, इंस्टेड ऑफ वेस्टिंग योर टाइम इन डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वेबिनार्स, ट्राई टू वर्क ऑन कोर लेवल. मेरा कोर क्या है, मुझे करना क्या है, पहले वो डिसाइड कीजिए ऑन पेपर. मुझे करना ये है, मेरा ये गोल है, मेरा इतना इतना डेडिकेशन है, 5 years डाउन द लाइन है, 10 years है, वॉट एवर यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन पेपर. बिकॉज पेपर में जो आप प्रिंट करते हैं वो आपका ब्लू प्रिंट रहेगा आपके सोल के अंदर. बी और रोल मॉडल, टेल योर स्टोरी, डोंट शाय. ऐसे सोचना नहीं है मेरी स्टोरी अगर मैं बोलूंगी तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा, लोग बातें करेंगे, करने दो. उल्टा जो बातें करेंगे तभी आप फेमस हो जाएंगे. सो वर्क ऑन एंड टेल योर स्टोरी. और स्टोरी भी जो है रियल वही बताइए, ऐसे कि कुछ एडिशनल नो. ट्रांसपेरेंटली, ठीक है ये मेरे साथ हुआ है, दैट्स इट, मैंने ये लर्निंग ली है. उसमें भी आपको विक्टिम नहीं बनना है. यू नीड टू बी सर्वाइवर, नॉट विक्टिम. बिकॉज इफ यू आर फाइटिंग, इफ यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग, बिकॉज एवरीबडी स्ट्रगलिंग. आप अकेले स्ट्रगल नहीं कर रहे हो, मेन भी स्ट्रगल करते हैं. देखो मेन का स्ट्रगल तो बहुत अलग होता है. वुमन को तो सपोर्ट मिलता है, बट मेन को सबको सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता है. तो वी नीड टू वर्क एंड वी नीड टू वर्क इक्वली. ऐसा नहीं कि मेन वुमन हमें कहीं पे भी बायस नहीं है, सेम लेवल पे काम करना है. Why focus on women? जैसे अभी हमारा जो रेशियो अगर देखते हैं, मेन वुमेन का कंपैरिजन नहीं करना है, बट जितना परसेंटेज बिजनेस में वुमन का चाहिए उतना मिल नहीं रहा है. तो अगर वुमन को आगे लेके आना है तो उनका एंट्री लेवल कौन सा होना चाहिए? व्हाट विल बी द मैनेजरियल लेवल, डायरेक्टर लेवल, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, सीनियर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, C-suite. सो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कितने मेल है कितने वुमेन है, देन ओनली वी कैन बी ऑन दैट टॉप लेवल. जितनी इंडिया में वुमेन है टॉप नॉच लेवल पे, उसका परसेंटेज अगर आप फॉरेन से कंपेयर करें तो उतने लेवल का नहीं है. फॉर दैट व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, we need to try to engage different organization, different women on this platform. अगर आपके पास नहीं है प्लेटफॉर्म, इट्स ओके, बट ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट. आप मेल का भी सपोर्ट ले सकते हैं. जैसे मुझे कुछ दिक्कत आती है तो डेफिनेटली सुरवा सर भी मुझे कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करते हैं कि ये प्लेटफॉर्म अच्छा है, यहाँ पे आप ज्वाइन कीजिए, वो प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाइए. जैसे आपको प्राची मैम सर सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, ऋषभनाथ सर, कुछ दिक्कतें आती है तो डेफिनेटली. सो दिस इज अ चेन. We are working with society, we are working with all types of gender. It doesn't matter आप कौन सा काम कर रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं, we all are human being. So top companies outperform average ones throughout the pipeline. We need to work on this particular level, top level. डाइवर्सिटी इंक्लूसिव किस तरह से कर सकते हैं, लीडर्स का क्या इम्पैक्ट है, परफॉर्मेंस कैसे बढ़ा सकते हैं, वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट ऑन पेपर. बिकॉज अगर आपके पास ऑन पेपर डेटा नहीं है, आप खाली बात कर रहे हैं, उसका मैटर नहीं है. बिकॉज जब तक आप ऑन पेपर काम नहीं करेंगे, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन करना पड़ेगा, कोलैबोरेशन करना है, आपको एग्जैक्ट नंबर पता रहने चाहिए कि किसका परसेंटेज कितना है. जैसे इंडिया में कौन सा प्रोडक्शन होता है, फॉरेन में कौन सा होता है, अफ्रीका में कौन सा है, जापान में कौन सा है, उसका आपका रेगुलर स्टडी चाहिए. बिकॉज कल जो बात हो गई वो आज नहीं है, कल का अपग्रेडेशन अलग है, टुडे इज डिफरेंट एंड टुमारो दैट विल बी डिफरेंट. सो यू दैट्स इट. नाउ डाइवर्सिटी किस तरह से, कंपनीज का डेटा भी आपको सर्च करना है, कौन सी कंट्री में कौन सा एबिट मार्जिन है, अर्निंग बिफोर एंड टैक्सेस. आपको टैक्सेशन का नॉलेज चाहिए, बिकॉज बीइंग अ लीडर यू कांट से आई डोंट हैव एनी फाइनेंशियल नॉलेज. देन हाउ पीपल विल मेक यू फूल. दैट्स व्हाई वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड फाइनेंशियल परफॉर्मेंस, फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्ट्स, कंट्री का डेटा, कंट्री के जो लीडर्स है उन्होंने क्या क्या किया है, उनका क्या मार्जिन था, किस मार्जिन के लेवल पे आपको अलग अलग चीजें मिल सकती है. यू नीड टू लर्न ईच एंड एवरी डे. बिजनेस इंपैक्ट ऑफ वुमेन, कैटलिस्ट. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कैटलिस्ट? आपको कैटलिस्ट बनना है, उसके लिए आपको बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, बट स्मार्टली. अगर आप लोगों का साथ लेके चल रहे हैं तो आपको इमीडिएटली सक्सेस मिलेगा, बट उसके लिए भी आपको हार्डवर्क करना पड़ेगा. नाउ बिजनेस इंपैक्ट इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. Being a leader, being a business person, you should understand your responsibility. What product you want to sell, what type of services you need to provide. You need to mark each and everything as an agenda. आपको पता करना है मेरा काम क्या है, मेरा रोल क्या है, मेरा प्रोडक्ट क्या है, वो कहाँ पे बेचा जाएगा, उसकी क्वालिटी कैसी है, उसके ऊपर मुझे क्या काम करना है, उसके टैक्सेशन लॉस क्या है, इंटरनेशनल लॉस का स्टडी करना पड़ेगा. देखो आपको सब एक दिन में नहीं, डेली यू हैव टू लर्न समथिंग. Patient, be patient. Providers, you need to be providers, decision makers. देखा जहाँ पे आपका एक बिजनेस चल नहीं रहा था, तो आपको दूसरे बिजनेसेस का भी थोड़ा नॉलेज चाहिए. Now, what both men and women can do to support women at the workplace or in the workplace? Now, coaching very much important. Without coaches, you can't do. जैसे प्राची मैम करती है, मोटिवेशनल स्पीकिंग है, कोचेस हैं, कुछ कॉलेजेस के साथ हम लोग टाई अप कर रहे हैं, डायरेक्ट रिपोर्ट्स कर रहे हैं, सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग है, प्रमोशंस है. सी आपको प्रमोशनल लेवल अगर लो रहेगा तो nobody will understand आप कर क्या रहे हैं. आप खाली बोल रहे हैं मेरा ये प्रोडक्ट है, मेरी ये सर्विसेज है, आप आपके खुद के ऊपर लिमिटेड है. नो, यू नीड टू बी अनलिमिटेड प्रोवाइडर. नाउ मेंटरिंग, एडवाइस, सपोर्ट, फीडबैक. यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन मैनेजमेंट लेवल. स्पॉन्सरिंग, स्पॉन्सर भी करना पड़ेगा आपको. आपको एडवाइस, गाइडेंस, मेक्स, इंट्रोडक्शन, गिव फीडबैक भी देना है. अगर आपको कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम आ रही है तो यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन फीडबैक. What men can do, अभी मेन का आपको सपोर्ट कैसे लेना है. प्लान एंड एक्टिव रोल, उनके साथ आपको एक्टिवली काम करना है. वुमन को वर्क प्लेस पे काम करना है, बट उसके साथ भी आपको एक्टिवली सर्व करना है, सोशलाइज होना है थोड़ा बहुत. आपको कंटिन्यूअसली सोशल नहीं होने की जरूरत है, बट आपको थोड़ा बहुत सोशलाइज तो होना पड़ेगा. अगर आपको कुछ दिक्कत आ रही तो कुछ मैंने रेफरेंसेस भी निकाले इसमें. रेफरेंसेस फॉर वुमेन एंड बेटर देन मैनेजर्स, कुछ अच्छी चीजें हैं उसमें. जैसे आपको बिजनेस में बेटर परफॉर्म करना है, आपको कुछ अच्छी लीडर्स का स्टडी करना पड़ेगा. कुछ ऐसी बुक्स है, जैसे मेरे पास एक अच्छा बुक है, आई विल जस्ट शेयर दैट लिंक, लीडरशिप बाय प्रॉक्सी, एंड दैट बुक हैज बीन रिटन बाय पूनम बरुआ मैम. आई विल शेयर दैट लिंक. उन्होंने एक अच्छा कोट लिखा है इसके अंदर, मैं आपको पढ़ के बताती हूँ. सीडिंग द मिशन, व्हाई वुमन इन लीडरशिप. Basically, leadership by proxy. This book has been written by Poonam Barua ma'am, Honorable Barua ma'am. She is a thought leader, and she has written this book wonderfully because उन्होंने इतना अच्छा स्टडी उसमें लिखा है ना, मतलब अलग अलग कंपनीज का डेटा सर्च करके कि वुमन को लीडरशिप क्यों करनी है. Why she need to work on front level, back level, manager level, top level, vice president. उसका इम्पैक्ट बिजनेस में कैसा होगा, कंपनी का ग्रोथ कैसा होगा, कंपनी का परफॉर्मेंस कैसे बढ़ेगा, मेन के साथ काम करके मेन का भी प्रोडक्टिविटी कैसे बढ़ेगा. एक दूसरे के साथ हंस खेल के मिल बांट के काम करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छी तरह से कंपनी ग्रो कर सकते हैं. उसके लिए आपको प्रोडक्टिव एनवायरनमेंट रखना है, आपके काम के अंदर पॉजिटिविटी रखना है, आपको जॉब के अंदर. Whatever you have to work, you need to work passionately. That's all. So my simple role or my simple advice for each and every person is that without any barriers, without any obstacles, you can't be successful person. Try to accept challenges, work on your ethics, work with your behavior pattern, work on mindset. Success is yours. Leaders are already on your path. Leadership is your way, but try to live in your leadership role as a role model. Share your stories, share your traumas also. It's okay. आपके पास जो प्रॉब्लम है वो भी शेयर कीजिए, लोगों को आप मोटिवेट करो ताकि वो और दूसरों को मोटिवेट कर देंगे. So I must say, education is not the learning, is like a fact of your nature. आप आपके ब्लड में डाल दो एजुकेशन, आप उसको महसूस करो, आप ब्रेथ में एजुकेशन डालो, डे एंड नाइट. इज ओके. आपको नहीं आ रहा है, नो प्रॉब्लम. यू नीड टू लर्न, लर्न एंड लर्न. देन यू कैन अर्न. फर्स्ट लर्न एंड यू कैन अर्न डेफिनेटली millionaire. So work on your leadership role with basic principle. That's all. And प्राची मैम, मुझे सुरवा सर को एक चांस देना है बात करने के लिए. सुरवा सर,
आप सर, what you want to say related to whatever Prachi has said, and thank you Prachi for sharing so much of data and information of how women in India can be a leader, because that's very very important. What she should do, she should have knowledge, she should be ready to face the challenges and all the things that you have shared, the corporate data related to women as a leader. So thank you so much.
Yes.
Yeah. So, sir, Mr. Saha, you can share your views about how we can empower women and how we can bring more gender equality in India.
Prachi, I will stop my screen so that sir.
Yeah.
हाँ, ठीक है,
Yes.
चलेगा.
Yeah, shall I proceed?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes, please, sir. Please continue. Yeah.
Yeah, first of all, welcome to this platform of innovative thoughts. What you have created a context of women in different fields in the progress of our nation, India. I will give you some of the key examples of Indian women in our Indian history. I will name few of them and their work category so that you could be inspired their work, their ethics, and their contribution to the nation. There are about 23 famous personalities in different fields of life in our Indian history. Women has created a benchmark and establish a foothold for the progress of our nation. First name goes to Anandibhai Gopal Rao Joshi. Anandibhai Gopal Rao Joshi became the first Indian female physician in the year 1887. She was also the first Indian woman who was trained in Western medicine and the first woman to travel to US. Second lady of our nation goes to Roshni Sharma. Roshni Sharma, introduction, became the first Indian woman to ride a motorbike from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, which has been indicated in the Guinness Book of World Record. Third contribution of our Indian women to the nation, named to Sheila Daude. Sheila Daude became country's first woman auto rickshaw driver when she first stepped into the male-dominated zone in the year 1988. Pune-based lady Miss Daude wants to start his academy for women interested in becoming trained auto drivers. So she is become a roadmap for Indian women to inspire those ladies who were coming from the backward class of the society in the region of Maharashtra and make a huge storm in our country to be self-dependent, not to depend on others in the role of the progress. So she is a lady of great determination to the society, Sheila Daude. Fourth woman name goes to Arunima Sinha. Arunima Sinha is the first female ampute climb Mount Everest. She is the first ampute Everest climber in from our country. She is also the first national level volleyball player who was pushed from a running train by thieves in 2011 as she was resting them. After meeting his accident, one of her legs had to be amputated below the knee in the year 2011. So she is one of the role model, even after lot of pain in his mind and in his scenario in the society. She climbed a Mount Everest, which is a benchmark, and create a history. Fifth woman goes to the very famous woman of our nation named Raita Faria Powell. She is an Indian model, doctor, and beauty queen who won Miss World 1966, becoming first Asian woman to win the title. She also went on to become first Miss World winner to qualify as a doctor. Sixth woman name goes to the great lady Aarti Shah. Aarti Shah, which was a very popular name throughout the globe because she is the first woman, I mean Asian woman, to swim across English Channel in the year 1959. She also became the first female sportsman to be awarded Padma Shri in 1960. The seventh name goes to Mithali Raj. Mithali Raj was the first woman to score a double hundred in Test cricket against New Zealand at Wellington in 2004. She was the first to achieve this landmark in the world as a woman cricket player representing our nation. Eighth is a very, very honorable name in our Indian history. Very famous name named Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa became the first Indian woman to win Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. Mother Teresa founded many missionaries of charity, a Roman Catholic religious contagious, giving her life to social work in the society. Our ninth woman leader in our globe, I say, because why I use the word global, because she is an iron lady named none other than Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi became the first woman Prime Minister of India and served from 1966 to 77. 10 years all round the row, was named as the Woman of the Millennium in a poll which was organized by BBC in 1999. In 1971, she became the first woman to receive Bharat Ratna Award, a prestigious award in our country. 10th woman named as a presidential candidate. You might heard the name, very famous name, named Pratibha Patil. Pratibha Patil became the first woman president of India and held office from 2007 to 2012 in the regime of Congress. 11th, diversified character, very well known to the global technological world, named Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman who reached the space as a mission specialist and a primary robotic arm operator. She went into space in 1997, and during her space operation, by virtue of technical fault, she lost her life during the expedition. 12th woman of our country, we can say as a bold lady, named Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi joined Indian Police Service IPS in 1972. Kiran Bedi became the first woman officer in India. Moreover, later in 2003, Kiran Bedi also became the first woman who was appointed as the United Nations Civil Police Advisor. It is the highest honor to honor this position as an advisor to United Nations. 13th position goes to Anjali Gupta. Anjali Gupta is the first female flying officer in the Indian Air Force to be court-martialed She used to work for the Aircraft System and Testing Establishment Unit in Bangalore. Anjali completed her Masters of Philosophy in Sociology and from the Delhi University and was first posted in Belgaum in 2021. The 14th woman of our nation goes to Justice M. Fatima Bibi, very famous judge of our nation, become a first female judge who was appointed to Supreme Court of India in the year 1989. The 15th Iron Lady and a flying queen, we can say a flying queen named Sania Mirza. Sania Mirza, a professional tennis player, became the first ever Indian woman to win the Women's Tennis Association WTA title in 2005. Later in 2015, Sania Mirza became the first Indian woman to be ranked #1 in Women Tennis Association double ranking in Wimbledon. 16th position of our nation goes to Sania Nehwal. Sania Nehwal became the first Indian woman to win a medal in badminton at 2012 Olympic Games. Later in 2015, she became the first Indian woman to secure #1 position in world ranking. 17th position of our Indian Iron Lady Sarla Thakral. Sarla Thakral received the license from the flying aircrafts when she was only 21 years old. She became the first Indian flying woman to fly an aircraft. After earning the license, she completed 1,000 hours of flying and aircraft and become the first woman pilot to obtain A-class license. She also achieved the title of the first Indian to get air male pilot license. It's a record history. 18th woman goes to Mary Kom. Mary Kom, everyone knows what she has done for India. Mary Kom is a well-known woman boxer who own a medal in each of 6 world championship. She was the only Indian boxer who qualified for the 2012 Olympic and become the first woman boxer to win a gold medal in Asian Games in 2014. Our 19th star lady is Bechandri Pal. Bechandri Pal became the first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest in 1984. Later, she led expedition in 1983, 94, and 97 with a team comprising of only women in Indo-Nepalese Women Mount Everest expedition. The Great Indian Women's Rafting Voyage and first Indian Women Trans-Himalayan Expedition. Our 20th star lady of our nation named Durga Banerjee. Durga Banerjee was the first Indian female pilot and captain of Indian Airlines in the year 1966. She also the first woman ever to fly the Tornado 8200 aircraft. 21st Count Lady name goes to Harita Kaur Deval. Harita Kaur Deval became the first woman pilot to fly solo in the Indian Air Force in 1994. 22nd lady named Priya Jinghan was a dream to be a serve Indian Army, become the first lady cadet to join the Indian Army in 1993. So these are the true example of our Indian woman hero.
Yes, yes. That's really amazing, sir. That's really amazing. That and I'm
This is
really
the pride
happy.
of, they are the pride of our nation,
Yes.
where we should get we should learn, we should follow the steps what they have taken in their life, the challenges, and how to overcome from those challenges. That has to be taken care to become a successful rider in a days to come. Thank you very much for your.
Thank you so much, sir, for showing us this incredible women 22 pride of India and how they overcame all the challenges. And that's really an example, and they have set the example for today's women to grow and face the challenges, no matter whatever the situation is. If you really want to do great things, you need to sacrifice something and go ahead in your life. So thank you so much, Prachi ma'am. Thank you so much, Saha sir, for coming to Pehchan Sri Shakti platform. And we would be doing more sessions in future and more women empowerment sessions. So thank you so much. We will start for Vande Mataram. And
Okay,
then we
okay.
will end the session.
I suggest you should also tell something about your vision of your life. Actually, what is your vision and all? Actually, in this auspicious ceremony of Indian independence,
So
75th.
my vision is to empower women at all the 5 levels. That is what is Pehchan Sri Shakti ki. Is basically we are empowering women to have good health, because health is the first thing. If we are having good health, then we can go ahead in life. And as a woman, we have been programmed to sacrifice. We have programmed to look after the family, but don't take care of our own self. Like our health is very important, our emotional and mental health is very important. So second is emotional and mental health. So my vision is to make the women empowered at their physical level, emotional, mental level. They should be financially independent. No matter what the family is having money, their husbands are earning, they should be financially independent. That is the main intention. Also in relationship, many women are today not able to balance their personal life and professional life. So how they can empower themselves in their relationship also is one of the main vision of Pehchan. And at the 5th level is the spiritual level. If we grow our soul spiritually, if we empower our soul spiritually, then we can do wonders. All these superwomen who you just mentioned, these superwomen are, they have been empowered at all levels, and that's why they were able to face the challenges. And that
I have one concern, Pacha, to you actually.
sorry.
In your organization, how many women are associated in your organization who are leadership quality in their own field?
We have different business women, we have different panel members. I will be sharing that in detail with you, not on this right now. We will talk
Information
about
आपको
it in
हम लोग
detail
दे देंगे।
because
हाँ, yeah, ठीक है।
we have different panel members, we have different experts, doctors, lawyers, business women who are doing great, and there are business coaches also who guide women. So we have planned this Pehchan Sri Shakti ki, we are giving them the membership and we are guiding women at all these 5 levels. We are giving
Right.
them counseling, we are giving them business coaching. If some woman has no money, then we are also helping that woman for free. Okay, so we have this platform is open for every woman, whether that woman is financially independent or not independent. If she is having issues personal life, professional life, for all the women it is open. And we have experts from doctors to lawyers to business women, coaches and trainers. As and when we get the requirements, we train the women on that. We will be conducting more workshops in the coming days for women entrepreneurship, and also some spiritual workshops for women. So that will go
Yes.
on. Sessions will go on and on and more things will be adding to Pehchan.
But really wonderful, Prachi. Really nice presentation, and you are really doing a great job. All the best
Thank
for
you.
you.
Thank
I'll
you.
definitely connect you other people also in future.
Yes.
Definitely we'll work together on that
Yes,
level.
yes. We
Yeah, yeah.
all will
Thank you
work
so
together.
much. Yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you so
God
much.
bless.
Thank you. Thank you.
Take care. Yeah, yeah. Bye bye.
So we will stand for Vande Mataram. Yeah.
Okay, then we'll start. Yeah. प्राची झालं का? हॅलो,
एक मिनिट प्ले करत आहे.
ठीक आहे कर या.
वन्दे मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्, सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला, सस्यश्यामला मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्, शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी, पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदल शोभिनी, सुहासिनी सुमधुर भाषिणी, सुखदां वरदां मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्.
माता की जय. भारत माता की जय.
भारत माता की
जय.
Yes, thanks Rishabh sir. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Yeah. चल, bye.